All right, so let's talk about the Palomino.
Yeah, that's going to be the 184 RBS. So we're going to go over that. People shopping back and forth between brands. It's going to be equivalent to like a Rockwood Geo Pro. So
nice.
Same kind of setup. Outside of here, you're going to have 2 speakers. We'll make note there on the level. They don't put them up high. That sound don't go above you when you're listening to the speakers. It's right there. You're right there with the sound. It's super nice. You're not drowning out everybody else.
That's great.
Off-road package too. So that's going to be a small axle lift, knobby, aggressive off-road tires if you're doing a little boondocking or something like that.
Perfect. So, happy birthday, Kim Moeller. She's buying an RV today for her birthday.
Oh, wow.
Happy birthday. That's a good birthday present.
That is a good birthday.
Even if you buy it for yourself. Yeah, yeah. We got a big awning.
Yes.
The full length, pretty much.
Full length, yes. And that's also going to have the LED light strips on both sides, too. Keep everything lit up.
Yep.
Yep.
Great.
Pass-through storage, too, it looks like.
Yep, probably.
A little locked up here.
The locks work, so if you have stuff in there, look, some guy just can't get into the thing. So you just have to trust us.
Yeah.
Should we get up in there?
Yeah, let's just see what we got.
All right, so wow, this is a little different than what I've seen.
It is. That's going to be Murphy bed setup. This couch will lay flat. That mattress folds back in half, make it lengthwise. Looks like you're on plenty of chargers there for your 2 USBs, 110 outlets. And the windshield thing is cool too. You're starting to see a lot of smaller trailers go to that. That's automotive grade windshield. So any rock chips or anything like that, it's not going to shatter it out. So it's also nice if you have a nice view up there.
I like the cabinets back here.
His and hers wardrobes there. That's nice. Bunch of overhead storage there too, right there.
Yeah.
Wow.
So let's talk about this again. I want to understand what's happening here. So this, can we do it?
Yep, that's just going to lift up here a little bit.
Okay.
That's going to fold flat. And a little bit. These cushions kind of stop right there.
Okay, so then this just lays on top of this. I see. Okay.
That'll come completely out. So.
Great. That's cool. We haven't seen that yet. Not that kind.
Yeah.
We've seen the Murphy bed that folds down, but yeah.
Folded up, much more living space, so you don't have to worry about walking around a bed all the time.
Sweet. Somebody asked if this would be a couples coach. Absolutely.
Yes, yes. Dinette's made perfectly for 2 people.
Yep.
That can drop down, make a little lounge area, somebody sleeping over the night, you know, small child, something like that. Again, tons of overhead storage there.
Yep.
They do not go shy of that.
It kind of blends in. It kind of hides because of these the handles on these cabinets.
It does. Those are the mushroom lights too, so you can just press a button. You can control if they come on or off with the light switch. So, big kitchen too. That's going to be your guys' TV backer, all of your hookup there. You can install one of those pull-off brackets like you do in your house, and move that TV right towards your position. You're sitting over there, sitting over there. Stereo over here. That's going to have zones, so you can control the sound inside and the sound outside, both combined. Looks like a decent cook burner. That's 2-burner cook stove. Also going to have the big stainless steel farmhouse sink.
Yeah,
that's something you don't quite see. So
a little bit more storage there on the storage and very little counter space, but you can put something there.
Yeah, do a little cabinet too there. So that's super nice. And that's going to be the convection style microwave since there's no oven. It's going to act just like an oven. And that's also going to be the big 12-volt fridge. That solar panel that comes standard on this unit's going to run that fridge. So
get back here and open up the bathroom door. Bathroom, the width of the RV itself. So you get plenty of room in here.
You do. And you also have the skylight over there in the tub also. So that a lot more height there for people, taller guys, anything like that. So.
And this, I mean, this is great. I mean, you see these a lot nowadays, but the curved shower curtain rod so that you don't have the shower curtain right up against you.
Exactly.
Whoever invented that a few years ago, brilliant. That man on raise.
Common foot flush toilet, good spot. Your legs aren't hanging out of the doorway or anything like that. Also going to have a big working medicine cabinet and a bunch of deep storage right there too for towels, etc. So
lots of room in this bathroom for a smaller
There is.
RV.
Yes, there is.
Yeah. Great.
Fridge.
What are we talking about price-wise?
We're coming out about $25,320. Payment-wise, you're gonna be about $222 a month. So cheap fun.
Yeah, yeah, it's good. You need to trademark that.
Yeah,
cheap
a lot of
fun.
camper. That's also going to be about 3,700 pounds dry too. So you're talking smaller SUV, half-ton truck. I mean, that's going to really kind of fit any tow vehicle you kind of got, so to say. So
love it. All right, now you really do. I like the little the little dinette area. Really is made for two people. Just get away with the spouse or
Yeah.
yeah.
Older couple traveling after retirement or something.
Yeah.
I mean, it's perfect for that. So
Awesome. And more storage, and I don't know if we pointed that out. More storage, and lots of storage in this. Again, in this little RV.
Exactly, and they do the little griddle thing on top of the sink there. More counter space if you're not using that. Dry dishes. I mean, just little thoughtful stuff like that.
Awesome.